Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about thoughts. Do not underestimate thinking. It is the biggest power that you will have and also the biggest destroyer as well. Whatever you're thinking right now will turn into your words, and those words will turn into actions. And those actions will define the reality. It will shape the reality for all of us, not only for you, for your loved ones, for your home, and for your country, for the world. So if you're thinking about humanity, I think you need to think wisely. Any thought has got certain electromagnetic power, and it's got a wavelength, and it travels through brain to brain, jumps from one brain to another, and it vibrates all across. And as Buddha once said, you are the result of all the thinking that you have done so far. Whatever you are was defined by you in the past, and you're projecting that into the future as well. How can we be free of thinking? If we are free of movement of thought, what does it mean for us? If that happens, that means we are looking into life with fresh eyes, with a still brain and a quiet brain. And then, do I need the power of thought for anything? Yes, we do. If I want to build a bridge, if I want to build a house, then I need engineering, then I'm thinking. If I need to build an engine, then I need mathematics. I need to understand from physics. That's perfectly fine. But when it comes to the point that everything is stemming from the I, self-centered me, then that is where thought comes into play and creates the misery. That is where the division and the conflict happens. So when we are thinking, when people say think positively, they have a point. That point is that you are shaping the reality for everyone, not only for yourself. So there is great responsibility sits here. That great responsibility, you have to be very careful. I have to be very careful, all of us. So when you're thinking next time, be vital, be aware, be alert, and see that if you have to think the way that you're thinking, if the thinking is rising from the self-centered me and the I, if that is the case, just see it. Seeing it will vanish it, will wipe it. When it is wiped, when the self-centered me thinking, self-centered oriented thinking goes away, then your brain is fresh. And actually that is where you can create the inventions. That is where you can create the most impact in the world, which is a positive impact, which is aligned with the harmony of the universe and the cosmos. Anything that you think that vibrates across the cosmos. So know that your thinking is not disappearing. Choose wisely. One might ask the question, how am I going to choose? I don't even know what I'm going to think next. Thinking pops from your brain. And your brain creates those thinking for you, and then you pick it up. But your brain, if it is limited, if it is based on the past knowledge, if you are so much attached to the known, if you're so much attached to the history and the memory, your thinking will be limited, and it will cause conflict, division, and misery. So it's a matter of understanding. The more your understanding changes, the more your understanding develops, then your thinking will evolve. That evolution will end up in no thinking. That is fresh brain, quiet brain, and that is what we call intelligence. Intelligence is peace in action. Intelligence is love moving across the world. Life is operating with no limitation. I invite you there. I invite myself there as well. I hope to meet you. Bye.